Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change language in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Windows 11 PC or you might be upgraded from Windows 10 to 11. And maybe somehow or some cases you looking for how to change language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Windows 11 Start menu and then you need to click here Settings. After click over Settings, you're going to see in the left side there is a Time and Languages. After click over Time and Languages, in the right side you're going to find here Languages and Regions. Now here it might be you're going to see some languages already installed in your Windows 11 PC. You can easily choose if you need them. If you want to install new language, you need to click here add languages and then you can see there are going to be appear a bunch of languages. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I'm going to choose this Catalan and then I'm going to click here next and then you're going to see a Catalan. Do you like to install this like language pack, text to space, handwriting, set as my default language. If you want to set that in your default language, you can also choose that. And we're going to click here, install. After click over install, that's going to be download and it's going to be installed in my Windows 11 PC. So after done installing, we need to restart our PC to apply this language. Actually, we also made that choose set this language as a default language. So be patient to until download and install this language. Now you can see it say it's already download and install finish. It's saying giving apps a message that Windows need to sign out in order to apply your new display language. So you need to click here sign out and after you sign out your PC after when you sign it again you're going to see it's going to be appear new languages, which is really quite interesting. Now you can see I had successfully changed my Windows 11 PC language English to Catalia or something. After I made restart or after I made sign out, you're going to see my Windows 11 PCs appear with new language, which is really quite interesting. Now, actually, I made these things because I also want to share with you guys. Maybe by mistakenly you made your Windows PC or laptop language to English to any other language. I know around the world maximum everybody is using English and you might be want to change your current laptop or desktop or PC language in any existing language to English. So if you want to do that, I'm going to share with you some trick to change that language to English. It's maybe for different reason, but I will share with you some trick to how you can change that to English even you don't know existing language. So first of all, we're going to click this start menu. We all know Windows 11 has a start menu and this is the icon how it looks like. So we're going to click over on it and then we're going to jump over this gear icon, which is the setting icon. After click over there in the left side, you're going to see this is a clock and world icon, which is a language and clock. Anyway, we're going to click over on it. In the right side, you're going to find here this language icon. We're going to click over on it. Now here, we're going to try to find out is the English is available or not. If English is not available, we're going to click this blue icon and then we're going to find out the English language and then we need to click this next and then we need to choose this default. This is the default. Obviously it will be default in any language. So after you click this and after you click this install, and then your PC going to be download that language, and it's going to be make default language. And whenever you're going to sign out, your PC going to be apply that language. If English is there, then you can just choose from here and then restart your PC, and definitely you're going to see your PC going to be appear, or it's going to be change English language. So within this way you can easily change language in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.